Algorithm and flowcharts. Algorithm and flowchart. It is a very good topic to learn algorithms and flowchart for creating of computer programs. A typical program task can be divided into two phases: problem solving phase and implementation phase. Produce an order sequence of steps that describes solutions of problem. This sequence steps are called an algorithm. So when you want to write a program, you have to write first algorithm that should be shown step by step solution for the problem. How to implement? Implement the program in some programming language like C, C++, Java, so many other languages. Steps in problem solving. First, produce a general algorithm. One can use pseudocode. Refine the algorithm successively to get step-by-step detailed algorithm that is very close to a computer language. Pseudocode is an artificial and informal language that helps programmers develop algorithms. Pseudocode is very similar to everyday English. Pseudocode algorithm. Example, write an algorithm to determine a student final grade and indicate whether it is passing or failing. The final grade is calculated as the average of 4 marks. So here we have to write a pseudocode and also algorithm to get result of the student whether he is passed or failed. How to write a pseudocode? Pseudocode, it is a informal language. It can write in a English language. First we have to take input a set of 4 marks. In the question it says that 4 marks. Calculate their average by summing and dividing and by 4. First we have to add, then it has to divide it by 4. If average is below, here pass or fail we have to see. If average is below 50, then consider as a fail, otherwise pass. Pseudocode and algorithm. Detailed algorithm. Step 1. It is an algorithm. We have to write algorithm stepwise. It will says detailed information of the program and problem. Step 1. Input M1, M2, M3, M4. Here we have taken 4 subjects and 4 marks. Step 2. That 4 marks we have to add it and divide, that has to store under the grade option. Step 3. If the calculated marks means grade less than 50, then it is considered as a fail. Else print pass. The when if statement comes, that should be end with end if. The flowchart, a semantic representation of a sequence of operations as in a manufacturing process or computer program. A graphical representation of the sequence of operation in an information system or program. The flowchart is graphical representation of the problem. It will show sequence of order to solve the problem. Information system flows show how data flows from source documents through the computer to final distributor to users. Program flowchart shows the sequence of instruction in a single program or subroutine. Different symbols are used to draw each type of flowchart. The flowchart. A flowchart shows logic of an algorithm, emphasize individual steps and their interconnection, control flow from one action to the next. It's an example of flowchart. Flowchart symbols. Name, symbol used in flowchart. Vowel is the first symbol. Every algorithm of flowchart starts with vowel, ends with vowel. Parallelogram denotes an input operation. Every input and output input has to be mentioned in a parallelogram symbol. Rectangle denotes process to be carried out. Rectangle says that process carrying in the particular way in this box. Example: addition, subtraction, division, etc. Diamond or rhombus symbols or branch symbol, it is called as decision symbol. So it is mainly used for if then else conditions. Hybrid denotes an output operation. It will show output operation. Flow line denotes the direction of logic flow in the program. Example: the vowel symbol starts with start. You can see the steps of algorithm. Step 1, input M1, M2, M3. The vowel starts with program. Input means parallelogram symbol we are using, and we are mentioning all 4 subjects. Then rectangle box for processing of the program means operation. So grade, the step 2, you can see the algorithm in the side. Step 2, grade M1, M2, M3, M4. First we are adding, then divided by 4. The coming result stores on the grade. Then the flow line will go to down. There you can see decision or branch or diamond symbol to carry out the conditions. Is grade less than 50? If it is yes, it will go to right side, print fail, then stop using a over symbol. Is grade greater than 50? So it will print yes, then it will stop. The flow chain will go like this. The flow chart, it will shows the exact result and flow of the program step by step. Example 2. Write an algorithm. Draw a flow chart to convert the length in feet to centimeter. Pseudocode. Below only we have given pseudocode. Here we have to find out length and feet of centimeter. Input the length in feet. Input length in feet. I have taken LFT. Calculate the length in centimeter. LCM by multiplying LFT with 30. So feet is FT. We have to see in a centimeters. That length we have to multiply with the 30. Then it will come the centimeters. Print length in centimeter. LCM. Let's see the algorithm and flowchart. Step 1, input LFT feet. Step 2, LCM equals LFT into 30. Step 3, print LCM. Flowchart starts with the vowel symbol, parallelogram for